Good day, we are the team Metamorphosis. Hi, I'm DARYL AREVALO, CEO of the team Metamorphosis, and this is our COO, RINA JAZMIN, and this is our CAO, Daniel MACARANAS.
Hi, I'm Rina Jane Jasmine. I'm the COO of the team Metamorphosis. One of the participants of our project owned a business eatery that also offers deliveries, a very good strategy business in our condition now. It offers more safety in every family and it brings more customers because of the services it offers. In every business has a common problems that need to solve to improve the performance of businesses. In eatery business, one of the common problems is the restaurant's menu. In solving the problems, we can apply the D-School design thinking process. The 5 stages of design thinking process according to D-School are empathize, define the problem, ideate, prototype, and test. Empathizing means putting your feet into the shoes of others. In this case, we are putting ourselves in the shoes of our customers. Of course, we want fresh food, yummy food, and a balanced diet, and the variety of foods we can choose every day. Ideate and define. Ideate means from the word itself, idea. What are the things we need to do to improve the restaurant's menu? Have a variety of foods, be reasonable with prices, not too few, and also not too many choices. Prototype. Prototype is an early sample, model, or release of product built to test a concept or process. So in this case, we can offer a style of food that is different from the other local competitors or a unique atmosphere that complements the meal. Test. Testing the solution we come up with Testing if the solution we come up with is a success. In this case, we are going to try new and unique food that competitors don't offer to see if the customers like it or not. Once we develop what will make customers come to you instead of your competitors, we will be able to market effectively and efficiently.
So let's proceed to the next business. One of the participants of this activity, their family own a rice retailing business. In every business, there's always a common problem that they need to solve in order to succeed in their business venture. According to the owner of a rice retailing business, sometimes they experience lack of customers and low profit in their business. So as a team, we will use design thinking in order to define the problem and provide a solution to solve the problem. In order to solve this kind of problem, we also apply the D-School design thinking process. We believe this thinking process is suitable to solve this kind of problem in their business. The 5 stages of design thinking, according to this school, are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So we proceed to the first step of our design thinking, the empathizing. It means we put ourselves in the situation of the customer to experience and know what kind of standards they have when they are purchasing a rice. After we put ourselves in the situation of a customers, we have observed that most consumers prefer to buy good quality rice at an affordable price. The next one is ideate and define. It means predefine the problem and generate ideas to solve the problem. As a team, we put together the information we gather during empathizing stage and analyze it to create a synthesis to define the problems. Therefore, we define the problem, which is the variety of rice and price of it that they sell. The things we need to do is to find another rice mill that can directly supply a good variety of rice at a reasonable price. After the ideate and define, we proceed to the next stage, the prototype. After we get a new supplier, we can offer a good variety of rice at a reasonable price. Our team also decided to use our rice dispenser in store, which can help to reduce the expenses in manpower in order to have a good profit in the business. The last stage is the test. We will test if the solution we come up with is a success. In this stage, we're going to try to offer a good new variety of rice at an affordable price that consumers want and lower than the price of the competitors. Once we develop what will make customers come to you, we will able to market effectively and efficiently.
Our next participant owned a sari-sari store. Sari-sari stores are privately owned shops and mostly are operated inside the store owner's house. One of the challenges why sari-sari stores fail is because of lack of money management skills. It is essential to be aware of daily cash flow, especially in a business with a little profit margins. Without such visions from the store manager, it becomes a proverbial or naglalaho na parang bula on how earnings are going nowhere. To solve the challenges we are facing, we can apply the design thinking. DT process, it includes inspiration, implementation, and ideation. We can start in inspiration. To start a business, we surely have a dream to be a successful businessman one day. In this stage, we can imagine to be very successful one day. And to achieve that, we need to do first some actions. This will push us to give our very best. One of the advantages in this generation is we have an internet. We can search almost everything, and in that case, we can search what are the skill or need to do to help us organize the cash flow of our money in our businesses. Next is ideation. Ideation means from the word itself idea. In this stage, we can start to test what we learned or search. We can start by daily inventory of goods, tabulation of cash flows, identification of the most profitable products, identification of the most popular products, and lastly, checklist of items to procure to replenish inventory. Once we test and try the ideation, we can start to implement. We need to make a chart to see if it's effective or not. If our business is growing with this new strategy we did, in conclusion, knowledgeable, dedicated personnel should manage every business. Owning a sari-sari store business is not an exemption. Once you lack underlying entrepreneurial spirit or offer half-hearted dedication plus lack of vision and discipline to run and grow the company, you are leading your sari-sari store business towards failure.